Next one is the orange wire. So very similar to the yellow wire. We're going to run these from the Arduino, but this time it's going to go into the direction ones instead of the pulse. Okay, so here's the wire right here. Going to give it about ½ an inch or so. Twist off the sleeve. If you pull the sleeve off, you can also twist it afterwards. I just like to twist it off all at once. And then it's this nice loop here, plenty for that screw terminal to grab. Okay. Flip it over so it doesn't have that grab on it. Okay, and it runs along the frame here, underneath this, and then goes into direction negative, which is this guy right here. So direction minus. Okay, screwed it in, tug test, looking good. Okay, this is gonna follow along the frame. Follow along, and we're going to look at our map here. Okay, so direction is 5 for the x-axis. So 5 is this guy right here, kind of in the middle. So make sure it's going to loop up nicely to the middle there. That's about right. Okay, and then just barely anything. These are much smaller screw terminals on this side. Twist it off. Okay, find D5. It's this one. Get that wire all the way in there. There we go, all the way up to the sleeve. And then screw it down. Give a tug test, and I'm not seeing any wire, just seeing sleeve. Perfect. So we're going to do that one more time. Okay. So folded it over, twisted it, run along the frame here, but this one goes to the y-axis stepper. So direction minus for the y is this guy here. Okay, get it in there and then close that up. All right, and then it's going to come at the frame here. Well, still give it a nice curl, right? We don't want so many that it's going to fall down and interfere with stuff, but we don't want it pulled tight. So just somewhere between that, right? And it's going to follow the frame, come down here and loop up. So that's about right. And then just a tiny bit showing. And this one, according to our map, goes into 6. 6 is for direction y-axis. And there it is. Thanks for watching.